Ziziphus jujuba is actually a plant called jujube or false date. This plant is extremely drought tolerant. It's grown in the desert quite a bit, and it's grown for its fruit. The fruit is edible, somewhat like a date. It's your literature says 20 to 50. I think probably in Oklahoma more like about 40. It could go to 50 with some age. It's kind of a slow grower, so it would take it a while to get there. It's very irregular. You'll see these sort of with one side heavier than the other, so it's not a real symmetrical plant, but it does have really dense foliage, and the foliage holds up under the heat of the summer really well. It's kind of a glossy green foliage. This is another plant that is deciduous by branchlet. The leaves appear to be compound, but they're actually a simple leaf with this glossy green foliage during the summer and then kind of a yellow. The branchlets are actually would be like from here to here. So that's what forms, then the leaves come off that. The flowers form along the branchlets, and then the fruit forms along the branchlets. And then the actual stems, we don't have a picture on this particular presentation, but the stems are kind of a zigzag shape with a pair of thorns at each node. So we'll be able to see that in lab when we look at this plant. It's grown for its fruit. It's also grown for its drought tolerance. The fruit could be kind of a litter problem if you weren't looking for it, if you weren't growing for fruit. So, I kind of consider it a specialty plant because of the fruit, but it actually is very hardy and very much a no-care tree in the heat of Oklahoma.